Hello everybody, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to perform a schedule maintenance for a small diesel generator. And in my place we are having parking engine with Tempest alternator from London, and our generator rating is 60 kVA, that's 50 kilowatt, 50 Hz. Line to line voltage is 400 and the maximum ampere is 87. You have to remember one thing: when you're doing a schedule maintenance for a generator, you just need to have a look on three section like fuel filter, oil filter, and air filter. In this video you will find everything how to perform a schedule maintenance step by step. So let's go. They've already removed the fuel filter and they're cleaning its cover, and as I can see that they're using diesel for doing this job, and there is a small part which is laid down in front of this man, and it was the old fuel filter, and we are going to throw it because we really don't want to keep that. And this man is cleaning the cover, and he will insert the new fuel filter in it. And this is the place where this fuel filter will be attached. And this is our new fuel filter, and it will be inside of this cover. Before we do that, we just need to fill up this cover by diesel. And then you need to throw the fuel filter inside of this cover slowly, because if you're doing it faster, then it can be there can be an overflow of the diesel, so be careful. Yeah, now it's okay, and he's going to attach this fuel filter with its places, yeah, like this. And they're using cylinder opener, they call it, and it used for removing or maybe opening I mean round shape thing like this filter. Now it's time to remove the oil filter, I mean lube oil filter, and yeah, they're going to remove this filter right now, but before they did another job, and it was like there is a bolt inside of this chamber, I mean oil chamber. It's so easy that if you're having a close eye, you'll find this bolt, and what you need to do, we just need to open this bolt, and all burned, I mean old lube oil will be come out from it. And they already did it, and now they're just opening the I mean removing the old oil filter. And before you're doing that, you just need to be careful, because there is some old black lube oil, and you really don't need to spread all over the generator, so you just need to I mean carry it with that kind of plastic bag, and it's really efficient. As you can see, there is some oil coming to this chamber. Now it's time to change the air filter. It's so easy. You just remove its back part and just pull it out and then insert the new one. Yeah, that is the old one. And before you do that, just clean inside of this chamber, because yeah, there is chance, I mean possibility that it can contain some dust inside of it, so it's better to remove it by like by brush, something like that. Yeah, that is the new one. Okay, now it's attached and we need to close its back part. Okay, and in the downside, I think wall cleaning is complete. Now I'm going to tell you most important thing of this job, because as you can see they are already trying to mount the old oil filter. You may ask why, because now they're going to put some new oil inside of this oil chamber, and of course they will use the old oil filter, and they will self the generator just for maybe 30 seconds, maybe 1 minute, because they just wanted to wash inside of this oil filter. Maybe there is some burn oil still there, so they're going to put some new oil inside of this, like 2 maybe 3 liter, because this chamber contain like 8 liter of lube oil, and they're just throwing like 3 liter, and they will start this generator for 30 maybe 1 minute, and then they will remove this oil filter again, and they will throw this oil outside again, because it's really important, man. Oh, this is our lube oil, and with its brand and with its category. And now they're checking its level, because you'll find your very own leveler. Oh, there is another thing. There's just pumping the oil because we already removed the oil filter, so the oil need to be inside of this filter, and they're just pumping manually. That can oil get inside of this filter and pass through the engine. Now they're going to start this generator without any kind of load, just what I mean washing inside of this oil chamber. Yeah, generator already started it. And it stopped. And I told you before, they're going to remove this oil filter again, and they're going to throw all the burn oil, whatever inside there. Okay, like same procedure once again. They're just removing its bolt, backside bolt, and we'll get some burn lube oil, and it will come out, and then we will remove, I mean change this oil filter with the new one. Look at this. It's like 2 to 3 liter of burn oil. We just put some new oil there, but it's already like black. That's mean still there. I mean there's some like black oil inside of this chamber. So it was really important, man. Yeah, look at the color. It's like black. So it was really necessary. Now they're going to remove the oil filter. I mean it is the old one. Yeah, it's like old black oil. হ্যাঁ অতক্ষণ বসে থাকবো মানুষ চিন্তা করো আমি ঠিকঠাক করে দিতেছে কাল পরশুর মধ্যে বোর্ড লাগবো এর মধ্যে ঠিক আছে লাগবে আপনার পাড়া ছাড়া যাবে এই বোর্ড ভেঙে গেছে Yeah, journey is complete. লোডে এই যে যখন ওয়েল্ডিং করে তখন একটা ঝাঁকি দেয় না এরকম ঝাঁকি খেতে 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 গেছে মানে সরে গেছে প্রায় 5 ইঞ্চির মতো ডিসপ্লে
না না এটা আলাদা রাখো এটা আলাদা রাখেন এটা আলাদা রাখেন এটা ইয়েতে দেওয়া যাবে ভালো মোবাইল ওই
Yeah, there is the new one, and they're going to adjust this while filter, and before they're doing that, they're just going to fill up this while filter by new lube oil. It's like the fuel filter. Okay.
এটা কত করে লিটার হ্যাঁ এটা 400 টাকা লিটার আর ছোটটা দিতেছে আমার 160 লিটার তো এটার কেবল দিল 2 মিনিট চলে নাই 3 লিটার মোবাইল দেওয়া হয়েছে আমার দিয়ে ফ্লাশ করা হলো তো এই মোবাইলটা যদি এখন ওটাতে দেওয়া যায় কোনো সমস্যা আছে এখন হ্যাঁ সেটাই
Now all job is done. Just one job left, that we need to put some new lube oil again inside of this oil chamber. In our case, we are putting like 7 to 8 liter of the lube oil, and this is the cylinder opener, the use for opening the filter by that, of course. And in the meantime, we just need to have a look on the radiator section, because there is some chemical water for cooling system for this generator. If there is a decrease, then you can put some new distilled water. And thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.